Let's talk about the scary reality of going viral on YouTube. So most YouTubers, when they start their YouTube channels, everybody is working. Trust me, everybody is working on going viral on YouTube. It's all exciting once you achieve that goal. You see your YouTube video really taking off and you're thinking, oh my goodness, are we going to hit 1 million views? And indeed, you hit 1 million views. Now you are viral. It's the most exhilarating feeling, even though I have never been viral before on any of my channels. But I'm just thinking, oh my goodness, that feeling of seeing my YouTube video hitting 1 million, beyond 1 million views, and picking me up tens of thousands of subscribers along the way. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I think I would simply just cry, I suppose, if that had to happen to me. Like I said, it's quite exciting, and I have seen many YouTubers, some just new on the platform, others who have been around but never gone viral, and suddenly they are all viral. It comes with such joy. But while you are busy being joyful, there's always that thought as well, that fear that's like, I'm waiting for this video to start dying down and we'll see what's going to happen after here. That's where the reality is, and you start getting scared. So if you just started your YouTube journey and one of your videos goes viral, it does help with your YouTube channel to get monetized as soon as possible. I think virality would basically lead to monetization in a matter of hours, and also start making money out of that viral video. It's exciting. It's something I think everybody is fighting for, because I think you guys have heard me before saying this, that we are all one viral video away. Whether that video is going to go viral immediately after being posted, or maybe a few months down the line, sometimes even few years down the line, and you'll be like, oh, this video, I posted it about 4 years ago and now it's going viral. Those are the things that I'm talking about when I say we create a viral video away every time we post a video on our channels. And the best thing as well about a viral video, it does pay you really, really well, depending on the topic, by the way. Remember, I did share a story of a Nigerian YouTuber that had 1.5 million views, but because of the topic, they were only paid $150. So meaning that that particular video, the CPM was in the cents rather than in dollars. Now, the big question is going viral on YouTube sustainable? The answer is no. You will go viral for a specific short period of time. Sometimes it's going to be a day. No, let's start here. Sometimes you go viral for about a minute. Sometimes you go viral for an hour. Sometimes you go viral for a day. Sometimes you'll go viral for a few days or a month. Sometimes even few months. Your video will just go viral and more viral. But is it sustainable? It's not sustainable, because once the video starts plateauing, this is where all of your troubles begin, especially when it comes to cosmetics of your YouTube channel. Here you are with 2 million subscribers, but every time you upload a YouTube video, you only get 2,000 views. This is after virality. That is not a good look. It's not a good look for you. It's not good for your channel, and definitely not good look for the sponsors and brand deals that would want to work or collaborate with you, because of the number of subscribers that they've seen that you have, but you are not able to pull even 5 or 10,000 views on your YouTube videos thereafter. So life after virality can be very frustrating, and many YouTubers that went viral, either they've quit YouTube altogether today, or they are still fighting for another viral video. And usually virality on YouTube is like lightning. It only strikes once in one place and it goes elsewhere. It does not strike twice unless your content or the topic that you talk about is a viral content anyways. That means it cuts across the board. Everybody enjoys this content because this is the content that they resonate with, they enjoy, that gives them satisfaction, and always looking forward to more content from you. unless that's who you are, like Mr. Beast or Marquez Brownlee or I don't know, PewDiePie, those sort of people. I believe that every time they upload a YouTube video, it goes viral every time they upload a video for years now. So for you and I, it's just like lightning. It strikes once and that's it. Unless we are dropping content that is enjoyable by all people across the world. So what to do once you've gone viral on YouTube? I think your best bet is to try and convince those people that subscribed to your channel to basically assist you by watching the videos that you upload on your YouTube channel. Let them know what your channel is about. For me, if I ever go viral, and I will always let people know from the get-go, like, listen, guys, I understand that you are all new here. My name is Clantis. This is the content that I upload on this channel. If it is not the type of content that you like it being posted here, apart from the viral video, I would highly appreciate it if you did not subscribe. You're being honest and you're giving the people the heads up that this is the content that you upload. Some of the people that you have attracted from the viral video may want to give you a chance and check out your content. Others will just unsubscribe. Rather than having people that are not like deadwoods in your YouTube channel as subscribers, and yet when we look at your channel, you've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but your YouTube videos are not at least coming close to the number of subscribers that you have. So it's best that you tell people as they come in, listen, this channel is about this content. Do you see why niching down is important? Because you are able to tell the people that as they come in what your YouTube channel is about. You give them that opportunity to decide whether to subscribe or not to subscribe. Now, let's say they decide to stay and they decide to support your contents other than the viral video. How do you sustain that growth? Pump videos that they signed up for, not the viral video. If the viral video is the niche, which is why it's so important to niche, that if you go viral on that niched video, anyway, you will always have this number of people watching your videos. Like, let's talk about Marquez Brownlee, for example. He talks about technology. He reviews technology gadgets. And when he gets millions of views every single time, it's because he is reviewing new gadgets, whether it's a new iPhone or it's a new Tesla or it's a new Samsung, whatever the case might be. He never changes and talks about something totally different from the niche that he is doing. Sometimes he does talk about YouTube tips, but anyways, YouTube, when you are going to talk about YouTube, there you also will talk about equipment, either microphone or cell phone to use to film your YouTube videos, which is still a gadget review, right? So be smart about your YouTube channel so that if you go viral on the topics that you are already talking about on your YouTube channel. That's the only way to sustain those new people that are coming. And more people that will discover your YouTube videos, they will stay and they will always watch every time you post a new video. Rather than posting a viral video of a topic that is completely different from what your YouTube channel is about. That is where you'll find trouble. And then your cosmetics will look awful. One of the benefits of going viral, most of the benefits of going viral is when you start getting brands and when you start getting sponsorships, just flooding your inbox and wanting to work with you and things like that. So those are the big benefits of going viral. Again, that is why it's important to niche down so that when you do go viral on your niche topic, you will always get these sponsors flooding your inbox. Always, always. You'll be flooded with sponsors and brand deals. So I guess the question is, do you want to go viral? I hope you want to go viral under the niche that you are posting on your YouTube channel. I know I'm preaching niche, niche, niche. That's because it's important. YouTube is a search engine. It is not a jack of all trade. It is a search engine. When people go onto YouTube, they are going for one of three things, either to be educated, to be inspired, or to be entertained. You choose where you are in these three important things when people go onto YouTube. Are you going to entertain? Are you going there to inspire? Or are you going there to educate? So that's exactly what people go to YouTube for. Not to watch somebody they don't know about their day in their lives and about little Johnny's first day at school. I'm just saying. So if you want to go viral, which is my last point, then niche down. Yeah, I'm overkilling this topic of niching. Niche down and go viral under your niche, and you don't have to worry or feel scared about going viral. That way, you do not be the topic of this particular video. You see the title, the scary reality of going viral on YouTube. You don't have to worry about all of that. Instead, you'll be like, oh my God, money, 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 money. Money. That's all you'll be doing. That'll be dollar signs every time 100,000 views go in. Money, money, money. Another 100,000 money, money, money. Another 100,000 money, money. That's all that you'll be doing. Versus if you just have that one viral video and it has absolutely nothing to do with what you post on your channel, and now you're worried after that what's going to happen to your channel. Chances are it's gonna die. Chances are it's gonna die. That is why many YouTubers that gone viral are no longer YouTubers today, because they went viral with the wrong kind of video and pulled the wrong kind of subscribers and views. And now their YouTube channels are not being promoted by the YouTube algorithm. So don't be that person. Don't be greedy. Go viral, but don't be greedy. Go viral under your niche. Anyways, let who has ears here. Goodbye.